Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. You have probably felt it that sinking feeling when your paycheck disappears before the month halfway over and your boss is dropping hint about cutbacks. Meanwhile, someone you follow just made six figures from a course, a digital product, a dropshipping, all from their laptop. What's the difference? They did not wait for permission. They took action. They built something online. And you can too. Starting an online business in 2025 does not require a business degree, coding skills, or a huge budget. With the right strategy, tools, and mindset, anyone can launch something real and profitable. The problem is, most people get stuck in research mode, second guess their ideas, and give up before they even begin. So, where do you start? What's the best online business model for you? And how do you know if your idea has any chance of actually working? In this video, I will walk you through a clear, no fluff roadmap to start an online business from scratch. Even if you have never built a website, made a sale, or have zero followers, by the end, you will not only know what to do, but why 2025 is the most powerful time in history to do it. Let's get one thing straight. If you have been waiting for the right time to start, this is it. In 2025, the digital economy is exploding. Global e-commerce sales are expected to surpass $8 trillion. AI tools now let you design, write, automate, and even generate content that looks professional in minutes. And platforms like Shopify, Gumroad, Notion, and Substack have made it ridiculously easy to launch without needing a team or any coding skills. But it's not just about tools, it's about timing. People are more open than ever to buying from individual creators, solopreneurs, and niche online brands. Whether it's a $10 ebook, a $200 course, a one on one coaching session, or a clever physical product, there is a market for it. Even better, you do not need a marketing budget. With TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels, one great video can reach thousands or even millions for free. So, if you have ever thought, is it too late to start an online business? The truth is, you are earlier. But 5 years from now, you will either look back and say, I'm glad I started, or I wish I had. Choosing the right business model is the single biggest decision that will impact your success. Because if you pick the wrong one, you will either burn out or give up before you ever make your first sale. The good news, there are 4 beginner friendly business models you can start in 2025, even with zero experience or tech skills. Number 1, digital products. Things like ebook, Notion templates, guides, or online courses you create once and sell forever. The margins are huge, there is no shipping or inventory, and it's fully scalable. But it takes time to build trust before someone will buy your information. Number 2, services. Freelancing, coaching, consulting, video editing, or design. This is the fastest way to get paid. You trade your skill for money, but it's time heavy and harder to grow beyond yourself unless you hire. Number 3, affiliate marketing. Promote products you use and love and get paid a commission. No customer service, no inventory. Perfect for content creators, but it requires an audience and income can be inconsistent at the start. Number 4, physical product or dropshipping. Selling real world items through Shopify, Etsy, or Amazon. Big upside potential, but there is more complexity in shipping, returns, and support. So, how do you decide? Ask yourself, do I need money now or am I building for freedom later? If you need fast cash flow, start with services. If you are thinking long term, go with digital product or affiliate marketing. And physical product, choose it only if you are excited about branding and logistics. Whichever you pick, commit to it. No hoping models every 2 weeks. Give it 90 days, learn, adapt, then scale. The best model is not the trendiest, it's the one you will actually stick with. Here's the harsh truth. Most online businesses fail because people build before they validate. They spend weeks designing a logo or building a website only to hear crickets when they launch. Validation is how you avoid that. Before spending money or time, you need to answer one question. Do people actually want this? Here's a quick and free way to validate in under 48 hours. Step 1. Google it. Search your idea or others selling something similar. Great. That's mean demand exists. No competition is actually a red flag. Step 2. Scan Reddit and Quora. Find niche communities. Look for complaints, frustration, and recurring questions. Problems is equal to potential product. Step 3. Check Google Trends. Is the interest rising or steady over time? You do not want to chase a dying topic. Step 4. Post a teaser offer. On social media or a relevant forum, share a mockup or quick explanation of your product. Watch how people react. Ask for feedback or better emails. One bonus point: run a waitlist page with a free tool like Cart. If total strangers sign up, that's a real validation. No sales yet, that's fine. The goal is signal, not perfection. Test before you build. Here's the biggest myth. You need thousands of dollars to start an online business? Wrong. You can go from idea to launch for under $100 and sometimes even for free. Start with the basics. Number 1. Domain name. Grab one for around $10 on Namecheap or Google Domains. Keep it short, memorable, and easy to spell. Number 2. Website. Use Card, Gumroad, or Notion for free or super low cost landing page. You do not need a fancy site or to hire a developer. Number 3. Payments. Stripe and PayPal are free to set up. You can be ready to take payments in minutes. Want to sell digital products? Gumroad, Lemon Squeezy, or PayHype handle that easily. Need a store? Shopify or Squarespace offer free trials so you do not pay until you are profitable. Add AI tools into the mix. ChatGPT for copy, Canva for design, CapCut for video editing. Most are free or freemium. Need scheduling? Try Notion or Trello to stay organized. And instead of hiring, automate. Tools like Zapier, Tally Forms, and Airtable let you connect system and save hours with zero code. You do not need to look pro, you just need to launch, test, and grow. Start lean, move fast, and let the market guide you, not your fears. Most people build a product then try to find buyers. Smart entrepreneurs flip that. They build the audience first. Your audience is your engine. With it, you can test offers, get feedbacks, and generate sales before even launch. Here's how to grow organically without spending a dime. Step 1. Pick a platform. Choose one social platform where your target audience already lives. TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, or even Twitter. Focus on one to avoid burnout. Step 2. Give value daily. Post shorts, useful content that solve problems. This could be tips, tutorials, insights, or your journey. Value builds trust and trust builds buyers. Step 3. Collect emails. Use a simple landing page and lead magnet like a cheat sheet or a free PDF. Collect emails so you are not dependent on algorithm. Try ConvertKit, MailerLite, or Beehive for free. Step 4. Engage deeply. Respond to commands, DM followers, jump into communities. Relationships are more powerful than reach. And remember, you do not need 100,000 followers. You need 100 people who trust you enough to buy. Start small, stay consistent. An engaged audience today is tomorrow's customer list and your unfair advantage. This is the moment where most people freeze. They wait months perfecting their product before ever showing it to anyone. Forget perfect. Launch messy, launch early. Here's how to sell your first product fast. Step 1. Create a simple offer. Take your idea and write a short description that explain the problem it solves and who it's for. Don't overthink it. Clarity sells more than cleverness. Step 2. Use a pre-sale page. Use Gumroad, Card, or ConvertKit to create a simple landing page. Add your descriptions, a price, and a call to action like pre-order now or join the waitlist. Step 3. Share with your audience. Post on TikTok, email your list, DM engaged followers. Tell them why you created it and how it helps them. Real passion beats a fancy page every time. Step 4. Collect feedback fast. Even 3 to 5 signups is gold. Message them, ask what they liked, and use that insight to refine your product before going big. Launch is not finish line, it's a feedback loop. You do not need hundreds of customers, you need your first 5. Start small, ship fast, iterate smart. So let's recap. You do not need to be a genius, you do not need thousands of dollars, and you definitely do not need permission. In 2025, you have the tools, the reach, and the timing on your side. Validate your idea, pick one business model, build lean, grow your audience, and launch without fear. You are not behind, you are not too late, you are right on time. And if you are serious about building an online business this year, hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and share this with someone who need to hear it. You have got this. Thanks for watching and see you again.